Hi, I'm Fallon Pitts, and welcome to MBA Now. Today's guest is Mike Fratantoni, MBA's chief economist, who is here to discuss current economic conditions and give us a sneak peek of the 2026 economic forecast. Mike, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks for having me, Fallon.
So the Federal Reserve recently cut rates last week, the first time since last December. Can you discuss how many more rate cuts we should expect this year and its potential impact on mortgage rates?
Yeah, so based upon what the FOMC members said and our forecast as well, we think maybe 3 additional cuts, and just the question is it 2 this year, 1 next year, or the reverse? They're really going to be constrained in how far they can cut based upon the still sort of troubling inflationary pressures, but they're balancing that against the job market, which is definitely weakening. Now, mortgage markets, longer term rates moved in advance of the Fed actually cutting. And these past couple of weeks, boy, we've seen a real pickup in refinance activity. And so our expectation is that rates in this neighborhood, we're going to see moments where things are really hot and then they cool off again if rates just go a little bit higher.
And following that, where do you see total originations ending up for the year?
So for full year 2025, we think a little above 2 trillion. We're looking for about 10% growth in 2026. So we do think we're going to see a pickup in home sales. Finally, there's a little more inventory on the market. The challenge, though, is we've really seen the pace of home price growth slow, and we think that home prices are going to be pretty stable the next couple of years. So that'll prevent originations from growing faster than that 10% level I mentioned.
And finally, MBA's Annual Convention and Expo is happening next month, and it kicks off with a market outlook session. Can you give us a sneak peek?
Yeah, so as usual, we're going to have our forecast presented that Sunday afternoon. Marina Walsh, Joel Kahn will join me, and we'll do the full run through everything we expect from the macroeconomy, job market inflation, interest rates, what we're seeing in terms of current housing and mortgage market trends, and the latest data on lender performance. So really look forward to seeing people there.
I'm definitely looking forward to the presentation. Mike, thanks for joining us today.
Thanks, Fallon.
And to register for MBA's annual convention, go to mba.org/annual.